What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you the review about the Finelo application and how it works. So basically, what is Finelo? Finelo is something, a website and application learn to take control of your financial future. So let's read their reviews on the Finelo, about the Finelo on the Reddit. So in here on the Reddit, people have mixed sort of reviews. So the first review said that the 99% of the ads on the Facebook are misleading. There was no indication the trial would roll into a paid subscription. Not remembering seeing something is not same as it is not existing. It's misleading as most social media ads are. But you have to have actually read this thing you agree to. Say that I have read and understand before you enter the payment information to some random company you found on social media. Anybody can buy ad space. I could buy Google ad that say I'm Steve Jobs as long as I pay. They are not equipped nor encouraged to take those false ads down. So let's read Finalo reviews on the Trustpilot. So this review says that God will reward people accordingly. Scam like everyone else. I never used the services but was charged the $39 fee. Asked for the refund since never used the services but was told take a hike. So ask Google or Trustpilot. I read all the blurbs about the Finalo. I wanted to see how many had made some financial gains. Many say it is a scam. I found negative comments everywhere about not getting fees returned. I looked up for a YouTube review which left me in no doubt. I wanted to invest, but not with this company. I never found one comment saying I have made a sound investment and making money. They add an email for people to write up to, but again, all negative replies saying they were fobbed off, blah blah blah. So it was a contact to Trustpilot that spurred this company to react and ask me to amend my review. I was more convinced now that all the adverse publicity was intended to public to avoid and purchase. If they have such a track record, then reviews like mine have made to the point. Now do something about your service. People buy when they read good reviews showing results financially. So there is no legitimate result. There is nothing being done in order to gain profits in the investment. So I would flag this Finelo application as a scam. So make sure that you don't waste your money in Finelo. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.